Okay, this is Doug's knife. There's my logo. And here's what your wood is going to look like when it's all sanded up and buffed out. Here, let me turn this light on. I don't care how you handle desert ironwood, it can't help but look beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna acetone everything down. My pins, the blade, the underside of the wood, and then epoxy the handles on. And that will be one more knife over here. I've got, oh yeah, Red's knife. And I'll have that done here in a little bit. And this is the one that's getting the greenish tint walnut. It's not a burl. I don't know what to call it. Highly figured curl. I don't know. Interesting wood. I can't wait to get to sanding on it. So let's see. I've got Jesse's. I got a hand sand. I mean, I got it roughed in, you know. I've got Eric's. Same thing, roughed in. It's all handwork now. I got Errol's. Roughed in. All handwork now. So I will have these done today. Sanded, I mean. And then tomorrow I will have Red's and Doug's done. And then that will be Tuesday. So Wednesday I will start in my leather shop for all these knives. Okay, making progress. Okay, there's Doug's knife. And now I'm fixing to go to working on Red's. Get them handles mounted, and then I'll go to sanding. Okay, Red's glued up, and that's what his wood is going to look like tomorrow. Got a greenish tint to it. And I have walnut liners. And both the walnut liners and the walnut handles came from a tree that fell down in a church. It was 130, not on a church, in a church yard. It was 130 years old, and when Dwayne had it cut up, we found musket balls in it and everything. It was a gigantic tree. Anyway, that's the last of my walnut right there from that tree. And it's all stabilized. It's all some pretty wood. And these are some little scraps that were just too small to use for handles without liners. That's the walnut also. I do have, another piece or two here and there, maybe in there, I don't know. But anyway. All right, now I'm going to start sanding on knives. All right, there's Jesse's, cleaned up, sanded, polished, shaped, purdy. Now he is ready for a sheath. And I forget, I'll have to, let me see what he wants. Black, flat dark earth cord. Okay, got it and got it. Now, let us get to work on Eric's. And what does Eric want for a sheath? Flat dark earth kydex cord. Okay. All right. Knife number 2. All right, there is Eric's neck knife. Desert ironwood. Satin finish. see. Errol, if you can get yours sanded up. We're getting there. I've got that edge, I've got this edge, I've got the back. Now I put it on its side and I start rubbing these grind lines and shaping it, and wherever there's an edge, I sand it. Like right here you can feel a little edge. Here's how I do my handles. I don't like to feel any square edges on these. I just like to feel nice round edges, and I'll tell you what, I really like the shape of this handle. Of all the knives I make, this is my favorite because it feels good in my hand. We're getting there. I'm gonna drink me a cup of coffee. Drink me a cup of coffee, and then I gotta go up to the pharmacy in town here and pick up my last drugs. And by that time, I'll be ready to finish this up. Okay, Errol's is done, except for the sheath. And that's my homegrown wood, stabilized walnut. And that is a satin finish. Okay, tomorrow I will get Doug's and Red's done, and I can't wait to see what that greenish tint. I know what the ironwood is going to look like on Doug's, because this is ironwood here, and it's the same batch of ironwood. And this is walnut. So my old growth walnut that me and Dwayne cut up. Both of these were satin finishes, but you wouldn't want anything other than a satin finish on a knife that goes in kydex. Okay, these go to the leather shop, and tomorrow I'll finish these two right here. Oh, this is my friend Tucker. He just made him a knife. Let's have a look at it. This is his design that he sort of altered something I had, and I like it so much I kind of altered my design to this. And that's Purple Heart with G10 liners. What is this, your fourth knife? Third knife. Nicely done. It will cut. And then tomorrow I gotta finish them two, and it's into the leather shop. I'm excited.